Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry using curd. First, select fresh, thick curd, about 250 grams, for a rich and creamy base. Whisk it until completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. This step is crucial for a silky curry. To prevent curdling, temper the whisked curd by slowly incorporating a few tablespoons of the hot curry base into it before adding it to the main pot. This gradual temperature adjustment is key to a perfect, smooth finish. Next, we'll build our aromatic base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Once they splutter, add 1 medium-sized, finely chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Sauté these ingredients over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onions turn translucent and release their sweet aroma. This foundation is essential for a flavorful curry. Now, let's integrate our spices. Reduce the heat to low and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Cook these spices for about 60 seconds, stirring constantly to prevent burning and to release their full aroma. Then, slowly pour in the tempered curd, stirring continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes. This gentle stirring prevents the curd from splitting, ensuring a smooth, creamy texture. Finally, we'll bring it all together. Let the curry simmer gently on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Do not boil vigorously, as this can cause the curd to separate. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious, creamy curd curry hot with rice or flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.